Clear the track.
Alright, let's start over. Start with 1. Come on, 1.
Hey, 1.
Start again, 1.
1 clear 1. 2 clear 2. 4 clear 4.
Oh, they go down like in order. That's slick.
5, let's go again. 6 clear 6. 7 clear 7. 8 clear 8. 9 clear 9. 10 clear 10. 11 clear 11. 12 clear 12. 13 clear 13. Race is on. On your mark. Set. Go. This time they're really coming.
Wow, the giant mouth was somewhat horrifying. Woo! Clear the track. Clear the track. Oh. Oh, sorry. Clear the track.
Clear the track
For your safety.
for your safety.
This means you.
And you.
We should watch this. Watch.
That's a fast car. That one's pretty fast too.
Fat fart. I'm not sure what they mean. We got a straggler. We got a straggler. That's just against the whole spirit of the Derby. Just 2? Just 2, I guess. That seemed, he was moving like something really happened.
Clear the track!
Clear the track!
Clear the track.
Look over there!
Dude, look at this fucking mountain of people. Piss. What?
$5 for 2 pounds, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
totally,
for
yeah.
Sure.
On it. Thank you.
42 bands.
40.
Doesn't that kind of seem like too many bands?
It's a little much.
Okay, how about like 3 bands? 3 bands.
3 bands. That's okay.
Dude, 40. 40.
I don't think he agrees.
40.
I think he wants 40.
I mean 40.
Dude, 42 bands.
If I don't know if I can enjoy 42 bands.
That seems. That's,
I'm gonna try though. No, now it's like a challenge.
that seems like a bit of an overkill.
Oh, look at that. That's a good setup. Look, you get your little hammocks.
Didn't we just do this?
We didn't walk.
We have to clear the track.
Clear the track. Clear the track. This means you. Other side. Okay, other side. We're trying to pay attention, and follow orders, and be good track clearers. Oh my gosh. Oh, whoa. Okay. Right on. We're team players. Tracks are for clearing. Don't make me tell you twice. Did you get a flyer for the show? Oh my gosh, they're slacking. There's like a bunch of people flying, like going around with flyers. 42 bands. Yeah, we saw them. Yeah.
How the fuck can you have 42 bands like that? There's not enough time to set up.
I only have 2 ear holes. Yeah. Yeah. I don't. Yeah. How many? Yeah. How many fucking clubs are there?
Is that the thing going on afterwards?
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm saying about. Yeah.
Oh yeah. 42.
Of 4 venues.
All for $5. That's amazing.
Somebody crashed.
That's what I hear.
They saw the safety truck go up.
Yeah. Right. Kind of fast. Like something was happening.
Yeah.
I didn't get details beyond that.
Okay, me either.
Oh, right.
Clear the track.
Clear the track.
Clear the track. Jason, how did it feel when you got shamed by that 10-year-old girl telling you to clear the track?
What's that? No,
Oh. Yeah. Dang. We grasp for glory, and sometimes, you know, you fall short. And your giant pencil crashes like a motherfucker.
Hey, look, berries.
Those look good, actually.
So, did anybody get hurt on this crash?
People? Yeah, I've seen people go down, yeah. We helped pull a cart off the hill, like it was trying to go around the curve, and just went straight, and basically flew down the hill and was like probably 30 yards down the volcano. We had to carry it up.
Today?
No, it was a couple years ago. The dude got a big black eye. And... Okay.
We had one guy, the fence is tore up here because he came in too close and hit the gutter.
Oh, gee.
And did some donuts and then went down the course backwards.
Oh, whoa.
He still beat the other 2 cars.
No way.
Beat the other 2.
Nice.
yeah. Yeah. No. Next question. What was his time?
That I don't know. That's a good question.
Which car wrecked? Because I feel like I've seen them all.
It was one of the 2.
Edward Jones, Mount Tabor on the tail.
The Mount Tabor.
Oh.
The 2 sleek ones.
The billboards.
One of the 2.
Okay. Right on.
Here they come.
Here they come.
That one's fast.
Oh! I think they're okay. Yeah! Woo! You're okay. I mean, you did fuck up, but you're okay.
Did you see the wheels? They just went
Yeah.
OMG, I've never seen a crash before.
Yeah. If it hadn't been for that hay bale,
Yeah, they're fine.
they'd have been really messed up.
I've never seen a crash.
Well, there you go.
This is a new thing for me.
They're trying to clear the track, but their car is broken. They would love to clear the track, but the track cleared them. What's the stewardess lady doing? Nothing.
Talk to me, Goose. Everything's heavy too.
It's full of water.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Are you? Where are you at?
Oh, that's why he hit so hard.
Okay. Yeah, we're about halfway up.
You hit it, it went drunk, and then you could just see the tires.
I don't know how you're gonna find this, but yeah, like if
Don't just come up.
so, one of the things just crashed.
No, fresh hay bales.
It was like
One of the things just crashed.
like slow motion.
So we're at the crash site.
He almost
But
thought they
we're
were turning.
so basically gonna hike up, and then you go past the porta potties, and then and then we're about halfway up there. Yeah. So just start hiking.
Boom. Well, that's what happens. Gravity and day drinking and DIY. It happens.
I've never seen that before.
I mean,
That was kind of cool.
yeah.
We call this the learning curve. If anything's going to go off, it's likely going to go
Is it
off.
Oh,
right
the
here?
learning
This
curve.
is the learning curve.
Yeah.
I've seen things fly off
Ooh.
this corner.
Holy potatoes. Yeah.
Yeah, this
No,
is
I've been here like 3 years and I've never seen anybody crash.
this is a really tough spot to wrap around.
Okay.
And it's your little ones kind of like that.
Yeah. It's kind of long and okay.
The pencil just didn't even make it barely out of the gate.
I'll be goddamn.
Down there. For everyone to appreciate.
We saw it go down, man. We saw it go down. It's a tough curve. Then they had the walk of shame all the way back up. Everybody knows.
I don't know what that means.
Race is underway. The race is underway.
The race is what?
Now's a good time to move around.
Get off the track!
No, this one again. It's steady in its unsteadiness.
Yeah. That one's fucked.
Eventually.
Oh, I like this one. Oh, that's the Waynesboro car right there.
Hey, Theo. Oh my goodness.
The water's going behind him. It just thirst on it.
That's a bowling team right there, I'm pretty sure. Did they just smash into each other? That's what it sounded like.
The first two did, yeah.
Yeah, that was
The
badass.
first two did.
Whoa. Nobody died.
Holy shit. Dude, that thing is on edge.
Yeah.
That thing is on edge.
Please, 10 feet behind your nearest hay bale. They're crash barriers. They're not your friends.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Flyers
Cool,
show
thanks.
today. What's happening?
Oh, the
Farm.
yeah, fuck yeah,
Yeah, okay.
yeah. Thanks. Up next, the pink rocket.
Oh, the beer guy. Stop.
Oh, the manta ray. That's the manta, yeah. It is so close! Some yeah. Needs a push.
All right. What do you guys think?
Clear the track!
Clear the track!